All right, I'm just playing around this morning with the old Jeepster, and I just put the Solex Carburetor back on the car, and I put it on yesterday, and this morning I tried the choke. And it's interesting on these cars, the Solex Carburetors, if you read the instructions on how to start the car, which I did not do before, what you do is you fully pull the choke out, do not touch the accelerator pedal, and hit the, crank the engine over just like you would do with the fuel injection car. And so I tried it out this morning and it works perfectly. So when it starts up almost immediately. And then what you do, let it run for a little while, and then you push the choke halfway in per instructions, which I did. And then it smooths out, and then you sort of drive the car a little bit, and then when it gets fully hot, push it all the way back in, which I did. Which I did not drive the car, no. But I let it warm up, and then I pushed it all the way back in. And fortunately, I did this test because the lever that closes the choke all the way, the bell crank, it was slightly sticking, so I had to readjust the choke linkage. But as you see right now, look how smooth this thing runs. It's absolutely smooth as silk. It really is running the way it should run right now. Now, I had the WO carburetor on this thing that I had rebuilt from that vendor in Florida, and it just didn't feel right. It didn't feel right when I was cruising along. Now the Solex does. Like yesterday when I drove this thing, it's back to normal. Additionally, I was getting 18 miles to the gallon with the Solex, and when I put the original WO on it, I was only getting 14. So the fuel mileage suffers too. So I'm going to stick with this one. There's nothing wrong with the WO carburetor though. I put it back in the box. So, down the road, who knows? Maybe I'll use it, maybe I won't, I don't know. But right now I'm really pleased with what's going on. She's running really, really well. You can see how well she runs. It just comes right back down to a real nice smooth idle. So that's it for now. It's a rainy, crummy day today. So you're calling for rain for the next couple of days. The next week, heading out and going to Hershey. And believe it or not, I'm picking up a couple of Packard wheels. So I'll get that, and also I'm just going to spend a couple of days there and enjoy myself. All right, that's it for now.